How was your mojito and your fajita?
Okay.
I had a salad. Taiwanese tea place called Tea Life. You got cereal? Okay. Fishy head, oh my god, fishy head. Oh my god, fishy head. Let's see, they have chobani. Do they have chobani? Hey Sarah, can you see me? I can't see you. I need a desk to work. Hey Marwa, what you doing? You good? Maria?
We're diamond like Baba.
You're diamond like Baba? And you were diamond, not Baba. Sido?
Hi.
Sido monkey?
I'm a monkey.
You monkey. You monkey.
A princess.
You princess? Good job. Every day swimming pool, every day swimming pool. Every day swimming pool. Alright guys, so we're getting something to eat. We are at Chili's. And in the menu, surprisingly, just like US, not a very slight difference. Biggest difference, of course, is no pork. Everything is replaced with beef, pork, or chicken, or turkey. But they got chicken crispers, they got fajitas, they got tacos, they got the salads, they got the 2 for $20. So they ain't got the dessert. So we're about to eat, destroy the food because we're hungry, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping. How much you gonna spend? You don't know? Yeah, you know. Sido, where are we? You got park? Maria, you drawing pizza? Sarah, you hungry? I mean, you mad or you happy?
We're going new home.
You sure?
Yeah, I have kitchen.
Waiting for our food. Sarah, how was your mojito and your fajita? How's your fajita and mojito at Malaysia? I had a salad. I had a salad. Sarah ate the appetizers, 80%. Chicken crispers. Otto. Pizza. Alright guys, with Chili's lunch done, we are at the lower floor of the mall, and I got Sita with me here. Say hi. No. Thank you. And this is our favorite new Taiwanese tea place called Tea Life. You want a bite? You want a taste? So coffee and tea, they seal it for you like this. Oh, did you hear that? Sarga, how is it? Good. She's hooked on it too. Alright, so we're at the supermarket now. Sarah's shopping while I keep the other two monkeys busy. Let me show you this place. Cereal. You got cereal aisle? Okay. And you will buy kids formula, shampoo, detergent, wine, non-halal, aka pork, juice. So that's one thing that you see. It's very common in Malaysia. Non-halal, anything that's served pork, they have to put non-halal. I see the let's see, they have chobani. Do they have chobani? Chobani. Do you see chobani yogurt? No chobani. They have their own brand chobani called Greek yogurt. Sito, hey, don't touch the eggs. She has a bad habit touching the eggs. Don't touch the eggs. Don't touch the eggs. Before I run into some more eggs right here. Oh, fishy! Fishy! Fishy, fishy, fishy. Almost knocked over a whole head. Oh my god! Fishy head! Oh my god! Fishy head! Oh my god! Fishy head! Oh. More fishy? Baby fishy.
Fishy.
Wow! Look at this.
Fishy.
Fishy! Wow! Wow! Fishy! See the. Ta-da!
Baba, go.
Chicken. Frozen food. More fishy here. Alright guys, I gotta end here because they're driving me crazy and it's hard to push the stroller with the tea. Alright guys, so we just finished grocery shopping. 3 freaking hours. I got a crazy headache. I'm telling my kids, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. So here's what we got. So we got a whole stroller of food. There you go. The whole stroller is full of food. Look, you got watermelon that's about to drop. Hopefully that won't fall. And it's packed deep. Like to here. You can see, there you go. And you got more in the bottom. Sada still got a whole bag in her hand. Everything, entire thing, for $250 US, 1,100 ringgits. Actually not bad. So, not bad for 250. Now let's walk to our condo. Oh my God, it is so hot today. We just walked 3 minutes across from the mall. It is hot. Feels like we've been walking for hours.
With chicken.
We look like with chickens.
Yeah, they're like peanuts.
What are you doing, Mariam? What are you doing, Sita? What are you doing, Sita? What are you doing, Sita? What are you doing? What are you doing? Get my selfie stick and show you what we got. All right, we have eggs. The eggs in the bottom. Shoot, my bad. We have eggs now. We have toilet paper. Pasta, tomato paste, milk. Oy. How much money did you spend, Sarah?
Huh?
How much money did you spend?
I don't know, maybe 1,000?
1,000 what?
I don't know.
1,000 what? Ringgit or dollar? Ringgit? No. Onions, green onions, regular onions, small onions. The fridge is empty. Zero, nothing in there. Let me show you the fridge. I should put some stuff in there now. Well, one more. So this is it. Eggplant, I hate. Garlic, I like. Put the bags here. Give me the white bag. Onions. I really like. Well, how many onions did you buy? 3 onions? Seems like 30. Dill, green beans. Dill, parsley, okra, green beans, dill. This is cabbage, Beijing cabbage, Beijing. Potatoes, pepper, chickpeas, ketchup, American salt, baby, American salt. Tennis ball apple, tomato paste. Somebody's like, man, they got a lot of tomato paste. White, zip wrap. Rice, real rice, Chinese rice. We got beef, beans, green beans, frozen beans. We got beef, frozen beans. Nathan, what else we got? Looks like cereal. We have cereal. We got cereal. More cereal. Pasta. Loaf bread. Poor loaf bread is all cricket. Gum. We haven't had gum in almost, what, a month? Maybe more than a month, because it's illegal to chew gum in Singapore. We were there for 3 weeks. We've been here for about 10 days or 2 weeks now. So it's our first time having gum in almost 2 months. Beef, chicken. This is some white chicken. White chicken, cheese, Thai chicken. Excuse me, Thai chicken. Is that why? Is that why it's so white? Banana. That's my favorite. Onions.
I don't know.
They're skinny like me. Skinny like me. Spice for the girls. Soap. 6 soaps. Avocado and rose. Whipped cream. Marwa's favorite. Ahmed tea. No joke. Earl Grey Ahmed tea. I'm not saying it because it's my name. It's a real tea. Ahmed tea. It's a British tea. It's actually really good. Our famous Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt. Laughing cow cheese. More laughing cow. Our first time getting, I think this is Malaysian yogurt or Malaysian milk. Maybe both. A lot of families are getting this. So we'll see what it is. Bacteria. 1 water. Dasani white water. We have a filtered water here, 2-stage seasoning, golden raisins, lentil soup, Halal Jello, Jello, Halal right there, you see it? Halal Jello, Nutella, kids' favorite, wipes, bacterial wipes. Wait, there's more oil. Ciro, milk good? Good milk? Just Ciro like it? Marwa and Mariam don't like it? More Earl Grey tea. Pasta. More pasta. Popcorn. Light butter. Hey Sarah, can you see me? I can't see you. Worst thing, this is the worst idea ever. Only if I can get rid of it. Cleaning products. Soap to wash dishes. Detergent to wash the clothes. Jumbo trash bag. Dove shampoo. Clearly not mine. Easy. All the rooms here have their own air conditioning unit. All of them here have their own air conditioning unit, like this one right here. It's getting the job done. I just hate this thing. And it's not even centered on the table. Look at that. It's on the corner of the table. Now if you sit down, your head will be in the thing. Mine will be at least. Kids, you guys having fun? No, not having fun? Go back to where you came from. You having fun? You having fun? Yeah? You having fun? No, not having fun?
I want cheese.
Cheese, maybe. How's the kitchen, Sarah? It's better than our kitchen at home.
Yeah.
It's long. Here's microwave. You said we have no microwave. Washer dryer, 2-in-1. It's got 5 minutes left. There's no oven, Sarah. There's microwave. Yeah, microwave. Oven? There's no oven. Unless it's like a toaster. It's probably one of these drawers. Vacuum here. 2 vacuums. There we go. The switches are here. They're really interesting. Watch. It's a flush finish. Light's not working. We got all these right here. We got a toast, we got a slow cooker, we got a blender, we got a coffee pot. We're rich, baby, we're rich. Big mirror, see my ugly face every day? Cito, I see you, Cito, I see you. Let me show you the view. So you got the KL tower over there, the twin towers right behind it. You can see it, one of them from here. And that building right there, I'm gonna see if I can point it out. Right there, it's gonna be the 2nd tallest building in the world. Right after Burj Khalifa. Let's see if we can go see the other building. Hallway right here. There's gonna be extra room right here. 2 single beds. We got the kids' room right here. Kids' room, bunk bed. We got a shower here. Full shower, that's really nice, clean. This is gonna be our room with Cito. Barely got the crib in there. And then we got the actual master bedroom, but we couldn't fit the desk in other rooms, and I need a desk to work, so we're stuck with me here, working here. Yeah, this is gonna be my desk right here with a queen mattress and a full bath right here. Cito, how much you weigh? 5. Cito, 5. Cito, you can't jump on the number, Cito. 5, you 5. Closet right here. And the 2nd full bath with a toilet behind the door. And no matter what, put the sabun there, soak there. That's your bed? Yeah, her bed. Her bed.
Bob is sleeping here and my mom sleeping here. Little baby.
Yeah, good job. Okay. That's a different baby bed. You saw the place we're staying. The kids' room. Cito, you gonna break your leg? Come back. All right, time to relax and actually start our vacation in Malaysia. I got a list of 83 things on my list saved. So I'm gonna try to show you as much as possible. So let's go. Alright guys, so this is the gym of the unit. Let's check it out. Oh, that's a lot of wires. You got a boxing ring right here. Weight machine. Marwa and Maryam, they've been really bad today. Really bad. They're not listening to anything. We got a couple of treadmills here. Workout area right here with the bench. And this looks at the tennis court. All right, so here's the next amenity. Maryam Marwa's first time seeing something like this. Ping pong table and squash court. Now that's pretty cool. And I think we got the equipment upstairs in our room. Yeah, baby. I'll be here just about every day. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Long day. I need to shower and get back to work.